This is a McPherson. It's house number 6071, 1680 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2.5 baths. These cabinets are going to be beech with a Silverwood stain. And the island is actually painted charcoal blue. This is a sold home. If you're seeing this, you can certainly choose to repeat this home and all that's in it. So beech cabinets, classic, Silverwood stain. The countertop, etc. will be chosen by the customer that bought this home. So I'm showing this to you in case you like the McPherson and you like some things in this. You can decide what you want in your own. Here's the trash cans. Pay attention to the door versus drawer layout so you can kind of determine what you might like on yours. These are drawers. This space here will actually end up being a sink. This is missing a cabinet, and that's because the customer has taken it out so that they can choose their countertops, etc. And you can do that. You can ask us for one of the doors, and you can take it out to get your paint, your flooring, so that you'll know exactly what that will look like. The McPherson has many different things you can do with this space. You can have a long set of extra cabinets. You can have a desk. Just refer to the floor plan. This one has a desk. And there are other videos that will show other options for this space. Nice wood shelving. Craftsman trim. And here I'm going to show you a close-up. Silverwood stain, beech cabinets, what that would look like. It definitely has a gray appearance in person. No red. This is your pantry. Lots of space there. This is where your stairs will be. We ship all this extra stuff in your home loose, so that's what you're saying. We are in the factory. This home is not completely done. The customer still gets to choose some things on it. Here's a nice little broom closet, vacuum. This is the laundry. So this is the way that you would enter the home. Through here. You have a nice window over your washer and dryer. Bench with cubbies. This will be a sink off to the right. So decide if this is the home that you choose, what you might want to do with that space. You can have more cabinets built there. You can do the sink. You don't have to do the cubbies. What best suits your lifestyle. I will tell you, I've been in many homes the past few days and everybody is using their cubbies. The reason you would choose the McPherson is because it has this nice half bath, which is different than many of the other plans that might be 3-bedroom, 2-bath. This actually gives you a half bath right off of the entry into the home. Half wall there could be finished in craftsman trim if you so choose. And we're going to head into your master. This master is going to have 2 closets. Again, here's some windows. This is the lifestyle windows. So the lifestyle windows look great in here. And what the difference with the lifestyle, and these are casements, so you see how they open there at the bottom. And the lifestyle windows are going to have wood all the way around. So it's going to be stained the same exact color as your cabinets. No white, no black, stained wood for the lifestyle, Pella lifestyle. So here's one of your closets. This has bifold doors, but you could choose bypass. This has bypass. You could choose bifold. This will be your second closet, and this is a walk-in closet. We store all your lighting, etc., in your closets, etc. Decide what you might like for your shelving. And here, this is actually a very good layout for shelving, and some extra built-in shelving there for sweaters, coats, or shoes, boots, jeans. And this is your master bath. This was a former inventory home, and when we do those, now we let customers choose the vanity tops. That's why you do not see that in this home. It's still being chosen. Here's a closet, built-in shelving. Notice the Craftsman trim all the way around the bottom. It gives you a really nice base. This is the blue painted island. That's a current trend to have your island painted a different color or a different color than the rest of your cabinetry. Your trim will ship loose like this. And here's a good thing to point out. When you do buy a Wardcraft home, we make sure that we close up all these doors with one of these. So all your doors stay shut during shipping. We will tape all the shelving shut. This is a standard tub. These are solid core doors, oak doors. You have the trim going all the way around your base. One of the extra bedrooms, you get to decide if you want 1 or 2 windows there. And if this seems like your floor plan, check out our other ones. I've done plenty of videos of McPherson's. You can see them with different cabinets, different layouts, and some of the different options that we have.